Welcome, in front of me is a HUAWEI Nova 9, and today I will show you how to insert a SIM card into this device. Now for this you will need one of, whoops, I just dropped it, there we go. You will need one of these, a SIM eject tool. It comes provided with the device in a box, so you can get it from there, and you need it to basically pop out the SIM tray, which is located at the bottom of the phone. Now it looks like this phone takes only SIM cards, although it's HUAWEI, so there's a chance that the other side is a nano memory, but honestly I'm guessing, and I don't have a card to check it, so I guess that is something that you'll need to check yourself if you have one. So I'm basing it that it's only a SIM tray. So anyway, let's place it on here, and from there insert it back into the device. And there we go. So it tells us to put in a pin for the SIM card, and also really annoyingly does one thing that I absolutely hate. It's such a stupid effing thing to do, which is change the language from your default language that you have chosen throughout the setup to be English. Now it's changed to whatever the SIM card language is, which is not English anymore. Why? So anyway, if you're one of those people that right now are stuck with a shitty phone that you cannot actually use because it's in a different language, and let's see if it actually searches in English. So there is a positive, it does search in English, so you can type in any language, whatever you're looking for, like you can see language, and it will show you, well, that's a voice assistant, so that's not really what I'm looking for. But there we go, system. So here's the language that we can change. Let's see how that looks like. So it's right at the top, right here. And you can simply add one from here. Let's find English. Now, one thing that I'll mention also, this stupid method also removes the old language like English from the list in general. So you have to re-add it. Why? But yeah, once you go through this painstaking process of inserting a SIM card and changing your language because it magically changed, you can now have your phone back in the language that it was originally. So anyway, that is basically how you insert a SIM card. And if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and thanks for watching.